You don't need $1,000,000 to get into real estate investing and to begin making a living at it. However, it is real estate that could lead you to earn $1,000,000. Following a few specific rules can help you make your investments into your fortune if you want to work your way into a residual or passive income from real estate. You can start by finding one property that only needs a little fixing and can be used for the purpose of beginning a real estate investment portfolio. There are a number of foreclosures, distressed properties, and other types of programs one can use to acquire real estate. Another possibility would be to look into rent-to-own opportunities. This will give you the chance to make a small investment in a property in order to start the process of developing a large portfolio. No matter what kind of investment you make, if you researched and planned carefully, it's only a matter of time before you will begin to profit from the investment. Any source will tell you that almost any real estate will naturally develop wealth in time. Because the economy and market consistently change, real estate will always continue to increase for the most part. No matter what type of real estate investment you may be considering, if you have researched and planned carefully, you can expect to begin earning an income that has the potential to enable you to make a living from it. When your properties begin to produce income on a consistent basis, you can then realize a passive or residual income opportunity. This process allows you to generate income simply by owning real estate in a variety of places without having to do the work that is involved with that real estate. Homes used as rental properties can provide income without your having to actively work your holdings when you have a property manager in place. If you desire a change in your career, then you can begin by buying a property and begin to build an income from it. Real estate investment is a great way to begin putting recurring income in your bank account without having to work long hours and toil at a job that doesn't offer as many benefits as your real estate business.